It is 6:28 a.m. and I'm awake because I want to make a vlog for you on the actual day, and I figured, you know what, get my lazy butt out of bed and do it. And it's all I can do to contain my excitement. Out in Kansas City this weekend for the wedding. It was very nice, and I got to see Jennifer. She's into yoga and Buddha and awesomeness. It's pretty cool. And she got me this shower gel goop stuff that I was really excited to use. It smelled delicious, and I don't know where it is. It's really sad. I think it didn't make it home. I was excited. Um, oh, and while we were in Kansas City, we went to Oak Park Mall. We spent 3 hours there, and all we ended up buying was Noodles and Company food, which was delicious, and a hair clip. And this I got from an Asian lady, one of those little stands in the little mall, and to show it off, like she kept doing my hair. It was so cool. She could hold all my hair up with this. Okay, I know this may surprise you, but I have a lot of hair, and this is not a very big clip. I am like amazed at her powers. So I had to teach myself how she did it. I am kind of excited for it. I don't know what I'm gonna use. Ooh, I can use it with my dress I got from Goodwill. Yeah, you love those sandwiches. Okay, questions before I run out of time. Okay. Caroline, all the people you see as big but you don't get. Okay, I may be a really big avid reader, but I could care less who wrote it most of the time. So, I don't know. Caroline, the makeup one. What are you most excited for this summer? The thing I'm doing! Yeah! It's, I have to do now. I don't want to do now. It's 9 hours away. Like, I will be there in 9 hours, I think. But I will be a camp! It took me, oh my goodness, it's so hard to pack because Caroline's present, but it's seriously, it takes up like half my bag. And if it's a little squished, Caroline, I apologize because it probably is going to be a little squished. Comfort object. Ooh. This is Amy. Okay, yeah, she has a really hard head, which is weird in a comfort object, but, she was my little doll when I was little, but, no. So, Katie Michael says I should sleep with this when I go to college, so if somebody tries to hurt me, I can just whack them with it. So, apparently, this is a comfort object and a protection device. So, um, oh, Danny, I had a pink blanket too, and it was all ratted. My mom kept having to re-sew it together. Oh, I wish I could show you where it is, but I don't know. Ashley, what would you have me do to your nails? Oh, I don't know. The Van Gogh thing would be really, really cool, not gonna lie. But finally came out with a question. Okay, yes, I hate favorite questions. And I have no idea what I'm going to answer to this, but it's the only thing I can think of. And I kind of have to eat breakfast and hold a bajillion letters so that I can send them for my Europe thing that I should have done in the car instead of reading a Pride and Prejudice fanfiction thing to my mom. It makes me happy. I'm sorry, I know that being obsessed with Pride and Prejudice is so girly, but I love it. What are a couple of your favorite movies? Like, I don't care what genre, I don't care how many beside the couple is. So, at least two. Hopefully, when I get back, I'll have my schedule. I'm excited about that too. I want to know if I have any stuff with you. I better, or I'll have to be sad. I better have lunch or something. My answers. Okay, well, because I've been thinking about it, the Pride and Prejudice movie. Not the BBC one. The BBC one's too long, and I'm sorry, but the girl who plays the main character sucks. Princess Bride. Gotta love the classics. And I'm sorry, Titanic. Yes, I'm a girl. Deal with it. I'm sorry. I have the girl moments, and I have the guy moments. What else? I have more. I actually do have some favorite movies. Other than that, I can't think of anything. I actually do have favorite movies. The one thing I have favorites of, and I can't think of them. So I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go, and I love you all, and I'm excited. Caroline, I will see you shortly.